Document 3, NBA salary cap issues. At least 5 NBA teams are having their salary cap, maximum amount a team can spend on a player personnel, plan for a scenario in which the cap for the 2021 season could drop between 10 to 15% due to the current situation between the NBA and China, league sources told Yahoo Sports. This is part of the team's regular seasonal planning, but it's like a cap spike but the opposite, a league source told Yahoo Sports. After all the money everyone spent last summer, this would have major impact on all of us. A drop to 10 to 15% would be somewhere between 11 and 17 million for each team. This means the best players would receive less money on any new contracts signed because max contracts are based off of a percentage of the team's salary cap. It would also lower the amount of money each rookie or new player gets paid that enters the league. One team's cap expert told the Yahoo Sports, "I haven't really been in this spot before. The cap has only gone up in recent years. It's really different because most of us have spent money already, and if our salary cap goes down, we could be punished for overspending. A drop of even 11 million would remove several teams from being spenders this summer in free agency, which means being able to pick new players for the team. In addition, a handful of teams that wanted to give players a pay raise or re-sign some of their own players will not be able to anymore." So, for those of you who are not too into how the NBA salary cap works, essentially, when the league makes money, all of the teams get a certain amount of money that they can spend, and all of that money goes to players. So, if we stop doing business with China, the league is going to make less money. If the league makes less money, then all of the players are going to make less money. So, is this an argument that we should continue to do business with China? Or is this an argument we should not do business with China? And what's one quote, or maybe instead of a direct quote, you can just kind of break down your feelings on this document and how you would use this document as a part of your argument.